Hi there, I'm Nancy, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to finish an English paper piece quilt. How to do the edge, that is. Because many people make these beautiful hexagon quilts and they don't finish them because they don't know how. Now, if we take, for example, a hexagon quilt, I've done a little patch here, like this. Here is my stitching line from my applique. And here is still some tacking left. So I would now go and remove my tacking stitches. And I like to sort of snip them in intervals. And then it's quite easy to pick them out. There is your finished edge. So if you then wanted to add more borders to this, you can, just by using the sewing machine or any other technique that you would want to use.